Ayan, nagutom si Rosel. So, dito muna kami sa OFW lunch. Nasa OFW lunch. Nagutom siya. Yeah, daddy. Nagutom ang bata. Be, ano gusto mo? Pineapple juice? Orange? Or coffee na lang tayo. Punta kami sa gate 108 with my daughter. Ito naman yung ano ko. Ito yung dala ko. Dalawang bag. She cannot carry heavy stuff. She's not well. We're going somewhere. Somewhere that we booked long time ago. We're looking for gate 108. 108. The luggage is heavy. OMG.
We're looking for the outgoing guests of
Yeah?
5J8.
We got to 108.
For Shanghai. Outgoing guests, Miss Asuncion.
This is what I hate the most. Changing the gate. No, always kasi. Okay, I thought it's very close. It's still far. So we are now here in gate 113. Oh, there's a lot of restaurant here. I think I'm gonna grab some food here because I'm a little hungry now. This is, you know, if you take a budgeted airline, this always happens. They keep changing the boarding gates. What I hate most is I'm carrying a lot of luggage. Breakfast. We're waiting for the bus. We're going to Taichung. 3:45 a.m. pa siya. 15 minutes more pa, no, Seth? Oh, there's a police station there. So there's nothing to worry about. Huh? Travel for more. Oh, it's cold. It's I think it's 12 degrees. Can you see the hotel now? It's okay. Nagwi-winter itch na ako. I'm having winter itch. Are we lost or are we what? Can you look?
I'm worried.
No, I'm worried with my winter itch. This is the one. So we are in the hotel now. I don't know. It looks like an old style of the Mountain View. Thank you. We just rest a bit and we're gonna eat breakfast. We could not find the elevator. It's a 3-star hotel, but it's okay. Tada! Trouble?
Dito, mamaya punta tayo dyan. Maganda siya paggabi. May lights yung...
Okay, we're here again in Myanmar.
Yeah.
Tayo ka doon na. Picture kita. Nice. We're back. It's nice. What to buy here, be? Sweets? Ice cream. No, the ice cream is there.
Meron dito.
Okay. Assortment. Pero bakit ang mamahal? 600 NT. If you want something that yung, yeah, like, parang ang sarap nito, down cake. Ne, kaway ka. We're back again. We are in Yanara. I changed my outfit because we're not expecting that it's this cold here. The temperature suddenly dropped. Sun Moon Lake, black tea. Black tea to na. Ano mo? Yeah, lalabas ka. We're going out. Doon ang bilan. Black tea to.
Marami pa naman tayo makikita eh.
Okay. It's a DIY trip. DIY. Ano ka naman yung kasama ko? Mas mahal niya yung ano niya, yung anime niya.